Hey guys, SJ from SJ Life Adventure. Let's do a new video about the Corvette. Today we'll talk a little bit more in details about all the specifics about this particular model. It should be a very fun video, very interesting, and we'll try to. It should be a very interesting video. Hope you like it and support it, and please, like I said, don't hesitate if you want to see anything, if you want to hear anything about the Corvettes or the C8s, anything in particular, please let me know and I'll be excited to do a video for you guys. Thank you. Okay, let's get that started. Okay guys, one video that we will do pretty quickly is your T-top, how to remove it, store it, and how simple it is. Let's get going. First thing, open your rear hatch, which you have an access with that button. You have that directly on the key fob. Press and hold the second time on that one. Or you also have right here. And when you press that, here we go, it will open. And I will suggest that you do that first, because once you have your T-top in your hand, you want to make sure you manipulate that correctly and be ready to store that, so you don't have to lean that or put that somewhere else and takes the risk of scratching it. The rear hatch, just something that I want to point out. If you have to do anything on the rear side of the car, the access is pretty limited. However, where it stops, you can literally push it and you can go another, I think, 6 inches, which is giving you a lot more clearance and access to the back of your car, whatever you're doing. So just wanted to point that out. So let's remove the hatch, the T-top. When you're inside your car, just unfold or open those two. Right here, go to the full position and then go to the back side. Hold the back as well, because it's spring loaded. Here we go. Or it will snap, and actually can snap your finger. Once you've done that, all you need to do is lift it up. I'm gonna do that and store that in your trunk. The top of your T-top will securely fasten, and you see you have those inserts as well as the bottom, and you have that on both sides. It will literally insert right here, sit on that, and then just like a hard push on it, and it will clip and stay in place very securely. So of course, if you have to do that, your trunk needs to be empty. It's a lot better. One thing you want to take in consideration to make sure that the placement is done from the get-go. I have the racing stripe, so for everybody that have the racing stripe, the middle part should line up. If I line up the camera, should line up with that part. It's a lot easier to know exactly and be positioned properly, but still pretty easy to place. And just notice when I pop it, here we go. See, so when it's leaning, don't forget to hard push on it, and now it's securely fastened. It's actually still wiggling a little bit. You won't feel it. I think it could have been a little bit tighter as far as the position of it. Anyway, that's how simple it is. Do the same thing in reverse, unclip it, hold it, and put it back in place, and make sure you secure the two front and back part of the T-top. And check the look of that car once the T-top is removed. I think even those guys are appreciating that. Look at it, it's just beautiful. It's open. It's actually a perfect day to do such and enjoy the nice weather. Okay, let's put it back in place. So make sure you line that pin and the one on the other side. Ready, if I can point that out. Once you're backed up, you see the gap right here. You can literally pull on that lever down. Pull on that lever. There we go. Secure it. Secure the other side. And then press that one here. As simple as that. This is back in place and good to go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you on the next one.